Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. Hope you are well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a clay incense holder using Airdry Clay. But before moving to that video, if you like my video and if you like DIY home decoration type content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming DIY videos. So let's get started. To make this clay incense holder, you need some Airdry clay, white and gold color acrylic paint, some paintbrush and some clay tools. Here at first I have drawn a wound sign which will act like a guide. Now I am taking the Airdry clay and warming it up properly. So after warming up the clay, I am making a thick roll over there. Now I am making the sign of the Om using the roll. Now using the clay tool, I am bending the curved portion properly. Here I am making the handle, attaching one more roll to the curved portion, and using the tool I am attaching the handle with the main Om sign. Now with the help of the water I am smoothing the whole part. I am using some incense stick to make the holes where I will put the incense. I am making one more dough from your dry clay again and giving it a shape of a plate. I am now attaching the Om sign with the bottom part, and with the help of the clay tool I am taking the clay and With the help of finger tape and water, I'm smoothing it up and attaching it. After drying it at least 24 hours, now I am painting it. The bottom part I am painting with white paint, and the on sign portion I am painting with gold color. You can choose according to your choice, any color you can do. And this is the final result. It is looking so beautiful. I am fully satisfied with the final result. Let me know in the comment down below how do you like it. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.